Hello everyone, my name is Carlos Daza and this is a record for the course English 4. I'm going to comment the document of my colleague, my classmate Carolina Niño Martinez. In this document, I can see that she's talking about being an immigrant in the United States and how is it to be an immigrant there. I think it's a difficult experience to be an immigrant because you have to um, be in front of a different culture, different people, and accustomed to do different things uh, from your country. I think is a part that I think is uh, hard of being there. But the positive part is when you are there, you have the opportunity to learn something new, to communicate with foreign and native English speakers. That is a good opportunity. I think maybe starting with the knowledge of English, but it is important because you are there learning in the real life of, of English communication, and that is a good experience. On the other hand, talking about the document grammarly, I think it is great. It, this document doesn't have mistakes in grammar. It has coherence. It's accurate, easy to read, and I think that part I don't have any advice. Maybe when we talk about the metaphor, conscience is a man's compass. Maybe some other examples more accurate about conscience. Maybe um, when you made a decision between something um, wrong or right. Maybe a decision. Some situations I had to make this decision and think about what is wrong and what is right. I think maybe it's more about it because conscience is always when we are making decisions in different uh, kinds of situations. What else? Um, maybe, mm, yeah, as I said before, some examples, or maybe is some more specific experiences to choose what is good and what is wrong, what is right and what is wrong. I think just that. And I think it's all. The document is good. We talk about the metaphor, about the situation in the the story or the thing that you share to us. And thank you.